friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Antec DF800 FLUX case. So friend, Antec announces the DF800 FLUX case, and friend, this case features a new visual effects with geometrical front panel design which mirrors light effects through its special surface design, and friend, the full view tempered glass side panel lets the user show off the build, while the interior of the chassis allow for throughout ventilation thanks to used air intakes as well as plenty of space for water cooling and case fans. And friend, the case is now commercially available from €93, and friend, it measures 479 mm depth, 220 mm width and 488 mm height, and friend, it is compatible with ATX, micro-ATX and Mini-ITX motherboards. And friend, in terms of fan, it supports 3 120 mm or 3 140 mm in the front, 3 120 mm fans or 2 140 mm on the top, as well as 1 120 mm fan in the rear and 2 fans on the PSU shroud. And friend, it features a number of pre-installed fans, 3 120 mm ARGB fans in the front, 120 mm fans in the reverse on the PSU shroud, and 120 mm in the rear of the case. And friend, for extra water cooling, it can accommodate a 360 mm radiator in the front and on the top, and 120 mm radiator in the rear. And friend, the case boasts 3 convertible tool-less 3.5-inch HDD drive case, 3 2.5-inch SSD mounting space, as well as 7 expansion slots. And it has plenty of space for graphics card with a length of up to 405 mm and effective ventilation, making it particularly suitable for gamers as well. And it sports high-end air coolers with a maximum CPU cooler height of 175 mm and power supply with a length of 205 mm. And friend, the I/O panel features power and reset buttons, 2 USB 3.0 and mic or audio jacks, and included dust plug cater for damage prevention. And friend, with 34.5 mm in the front and 26.5 mm clearance in the rear, the case offers sufficient space for cable management, allowing for a clean build and optimized airflow. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.